Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. We got a highlight for you today. Just got done working on this big dude right here. This is a Class A on an F53 chassis. This one was made by Thor. I know a lot of people out here and have these, and they've looked at doing a lot of different things. They got the oversized sway bars, they got sumo springs. You can put aftermarket shocks on there, and these things all kind of mask the problem. What we did with this one is we pulled all them leaf springs out of there. We pulled all the factory components for the suspension out of there and replaced it with a 4-corner liquid spring system. And I tell you, this thing, you will not find a better riding RV once you put this system on here. Not only did we put the liquid spring on there that'll really control the stabilization of this vehicle, it really cuts down on that rocking back and forth every time you take a turn. Makes it feel a lot safer on the road, especially you get big winds, you get 18-wheelers passing you. Everybody knows what these things feel like. They feel like driving a giant bread box down the road. Well, with this liquid spring suspension on there, this thing will feel like a sport tune chassis on the road. You cut down that sway to almost nothing. Feel a lot more safe and confident. Along with the safety, on this one we also installed the Safety Plus steering stabilizer. A lot of people have talked great things about these. What this does is it really helps control that steering wheel a lot more. You get into a situation, inclement weather, and those wheels kind of want to go and do their own thing, this thing will really kind of tighten up that steering for you so you feel like you're in control. And God forbid something were to happen to one of these steer tires, that Safety Plus system will really show its benefit from ripping that wheel right out of your hand and potentially something bad happening to this.